All right, so I've got this all wiped down. I do have something I'll use to roll this first bit before I can get something a little better. So my idea is I want to come up here and put this all the way to the top. Possibly even a little too high. And we'll start right there. So that gives me a spot right there. I'm going to start that corner. Gonna mark it. Fresh paint right in that area. Right here. I've got a little mark in the paint I can use. In doing that, I'm going to put this right here. Alright. Now I got a piece stuck, I can go ahead and start pulling that stuff off. And you know, keep this edge right here. The rest of it I should be able to stretch out a bit. Definitely have to trim it up a little more around that fan. All right. See, now this may, I may have to, so what I'll have to do is cut that. It's going to be a little too much to stretch into this. So I'll cut across that, set it in, and I'll get a piece of scrap later on and put on top of that. Let's see. So I'm going to put it there. Straight across like that. There. And like I said, I'll get a couple scrap pieces. I know there's gonna be some edges and things like that. I'll drop down in there, make sure we don't lose any. But that's the idea. This stuff gets rolled in. And of course I do need to trim it here. So on the other side, or even right here, I can probably find them. Got these holes. Go ahead and poke through. That's what it's going to basically be. The entire floor will be of this stuff. Hopefully that'll help out with the road noise and any other kind of metal clang or anything like that that you might hear in these old trucks.